Hi everybody, so today let's talk about how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. So let me tell you guys, transferring WhatsApp from Android to iPhone is easiest using Apple's official Move to iOS app. This method requires your iPhone to be brand new or factory reset. So the official method is to prepare your devices. First, make sure that your Android phone has the official Move to iOS app installed. Connect both phones to Wi-Fi and plug them into a charger. Now if your phone is already set up, you must erase it. Just go to settings and then erase all the content and settings. Now turn on your iPhone and follow the setup screens until you reach the apps and data screen. Now select Move Data from Android. Tap this option on your iPhone and wait for a 6 or 10 digit code to appear. Open the app on your Android phone, accept the terms and enter the code displayed on your iPhone. Now on the transfer data screen, choose WhatsApp. Tap Start on your Android phone and wait for the app to prepare the data. Once the data is prepared, tap Continue to start transferring from Android to iOS. You have to wait for the loading bar to finish. Now, finish the iPhone setup process, download WhatsApp from the App Store, log in with the same phone number, and your chat history will be waiting for you. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.